Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Knit Crafts, and in today's tutorial I will show you how to crochet the crossed double crochet stitch step by step. This stitch creates a beautiful woven effect that's perfect for scarves, blankets, hats and many other projects. So let's get started. You need yarn, a 5mm hook, scissors and yarn needle. Now we are going to make an even number of chains. I'm going to chain 20 for this tutorial. $19 and $20. Double crochet into the fourth chain from the hook. So let's look for the fourth chain. This is the first, second, third and fourth. So we're going to do our first double crochet into this fourth chain. So we're going to yarn over, insert your hook into that fourth chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now we've got 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. So now we are going to continue placing 1 double crochet into each chain across. So yarn over into the next chain, do a double crochet. So now we have got three loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we're going to continue that, placing 1 double crochet into each chain across. So now after I'm done with my row 1, we are going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to turn our work and we're going to start row 2. So this is where the magic happens. So now what you're going to do, we're counting these 3 chains as our first double crochet. So we're going to skip this chain and into the next, stitch, and into the next stitch, we are going to do a double crochet into that stitch. So yarn over, insert into that stitch, yarn over, pull through. Now we've got 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. So that's a double crochet. So remember we skipped this stitch, so we're going to come back to that stitch and do a double crochet into that skipped stitch. So yarn over, back to that stitch, insert our hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now we've got 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. So we have just completed our first crossed double crochet. Now see how the stitches cross over each other. Like I said, that's your first crossed double crochet done. So now we are going to continue with the pattern. Let's do it together one more time. So we are going to skip this stitch into the next stitch. We're going to do a double crochet. So skip this one into this one, do a double crochet. When you are done, yarn over, go back into the skipped stitch and do another double crochet. When you reach the end, we are going to place a double crochet into this last stitch that's on top of the chains we did at the beginning. So we are going to do a yarn over and then into that on top of those chains you do another double crochet, and that will be the end. So from here we're just going to repeat row 2. So let's do that together. So chain 3, 10 our work. And remember, this 3 chains counts as our first double crochet. So now we are going to skip this stitch into the next stitch, do a double crochet. So yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now we've got 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. Now going back to the skipped stitch, now we are done with the first. Now we do the same thing. So we are going to repeat row 2 till we have your desired length. Don't pull your stitches too tight. Secondly, always count your stitches each row. Third, work slowly at first until you are comfortable crossing the stitches. And that's how you crochet the crossed double crochet stitch. It's an easy way to add texture and visual interest to your projects. If you enjoy this tutorial, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below letting me know what stitch you would like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.